guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video it is the final of the Jaclyn Hill volume 2 palette with Morphe. This is the final row, which is row number 5, and I did it with all these on my eyes. It turned out very well. I love these colors. Very dark smoky brown eye, and no, not brown, purple. What am I talking about? But this is the look that I came up with row number 5, and all the colors are on my eyes, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get this look. But make sure you already subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell, because I do upload Monday through Friday. And yeah, let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, so as you can see that I did my base, clean up my eyebrow, and do all of that stuff off camera. So today is the final day. Oh my god, I'm just so relieved. Like, I want to put this down so bad, because since I started YouTube, I never have a palette, an eyeshadow palette that I use in like 5 days straight. Never. So I'm so happy. It is row number 5. Am I right? Yes, I'm right. So it is a row number 5, which is the final row. And with these colors, I think I want to do something like a black smoky purple eye look, because this black, I heard, is no joke. So I need to get on that track. So what I'm thinking of doing, which is way out of my league, I never ever did this before. When I say never, I'm gonna start with Temptress, which is a black one. Yes, I'm gonna start with that one, and we're gonna put it all over my eyelid, like the whole entire eyelid, and then we're gonna work with the other colors. So if I look kind of weird, like somebody punched me in the eye, don't run away. I promise you it's gonna look good, as you saw from the intro, right? Did you see the intro? Exactly. So don't be alarmed, all right? Okay, so I zoom you guys in because I want you to see my eyes. So I'm gonna start with Temptress, and Temptress has a little teeny bit of sparkle. Not a lot, a little teeny bit. So I don't know if it's gonna look the same on my eyes. I'm praying to God that it's very pigmented. I think this is the only pigmentation I'm gonna get out of all these matte shade. Apart from the shimmers, I think I'm gonna get a good with this one. So I'm gonna take it onto a very small fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just lather it in. And as usual, it'll half fall out, and I have on a black shirt. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over my eyelid. Okay, okay. Okay, one thing, it is super duper pigmented. Let me tell you that for sure. I wish all these colors in the pan was like this, like no joke. But as you can see, look at that. Look how much fallout. It is crazy in the pan. Whoa, it is a lot. Okay. Alright, so now that I have that down and pack, I'm gonna go into another brush, and with this one here, this is the other brush, I'm gonna take Crazy. I like this color. It's like a cranberry dark shade. So I'm gonna take Crazy, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my time and blend out the harsh line on top. I'm not gonna put it onto the lid. I'm only gonna blend out the harsh line slowly. Like, I'm gonna take my time. Okay, blending was no joke, like seriously no joke. Okay, So now I'm gonna go into Stay True, which is this nice, I don't know what to call this color, but it's really pretty. I have a little bit of shimmer, so I'm hoping it's not that shimmery because I want to put it on top and just like smoke it out fully, like all on top of here. All right, so I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna take another brush right here, and then I'm just gonna fully focus it right on top and just smoke it out. And I'm even gonna take it all the way down because when I put on my concealer, I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, I think I might cut it, so it doesn't really matter if it's like all the way over here. I'm gonna use my concealer afterwards. So pretty much I'm just blending it with the other color that I put on. I'm gonna leave a little space right here because I want to put like that certified color, the first color, into the palette, the pan. And I want to put that on the brow bone. This color definitely blend in, and it's not patchy. It's nice. Look weird right now, but it's nice in a good way. All right, so next I'm gonna take that color, which is certified, which is that first white matte shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it right on top. You guys saw that little powdery? It's all over the damn place. It is so powdery, like, damn. Then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush that has nothing on it and just blend it out a little bit. So I'm gonna go into Good Place, which is this nice purple pressed pigment. It is, wow, it is so pretty. Let me see if I could do it with my fingers, even though I have on nails. It's gonna be really hard. And I'm gonna take this one all over that black, all over the lid. Yeah, it's really coming up. Wow, this is pretty. Okay, let me use a brush because it's really hard. Okay, this purple looks so good. Really, really nice. All right, so next I'm gonna take Palo. Yeah, Palo, if that's how you pronounce it. And I'm gonna put Palo right into the inner corner. I'm not gonna put it all over the lid, just to see how it look. It is pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pat it on. Oh wow, this is pretty. So I'm only gonna put it halfway. I'm not gonna put it all the way because I have so much color to, you know, put on my eyelid. So I'm only gonna put it halfway. Yeah, this is pretty. This is so pretty. Okay, so now for the under eyes, which is the okay, we're gonna get with it. Okay, so the only colors I have left is Oh Hello. No, I did that. No, I did not. I'm lying. I didn't do it. Okay, so I only have Oh Hello left, and also Not My Journey. Yeah. Yeah. Only two left. It's really good. It's coming along. It's really coming along. So I'm gonna take Not My Journey first. And I'm gonna put it all the way. I so messed up right now. I use that same small brush that I used for the black one. Look at that. It is black. So, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do another brush. And it's like a pencil brush. And I'm gonna tap it on. Hopefully that black shade comes out. Okay, not that bad, but could be better. Then I'm gonna take a really, really tiny brush and I'm gonna go into Not My Journey. So next I'm gonna take my NYX, and I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm just gonna go ahead and line the lash line. And then for mascara, I'm taking my Maybelline. Okay guys, so here we are one last time with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 with Morphe, and I really like the way how this makeup look turned out. It was pretty easy, to be honest. This look was very easy for me. I don't know, because the shades are darker, I don't know, but it was pretty easy for me, and I love the turnout. I really love it. And this look you can definitely wear out. Like, if you are a person who love dark dramatic look, this look you could definitely wear out on a night out with your girls or whatever. But you could definitely wear it out. I would wear it out personally. For me, I would. But yes, I could breathe. I could finally breathe. I don't have no problems with the last shades. Like the last row, I had zero problem. Let's run over it really quick. The first one that I picked out was the black color. It have a little shimmer in it, but it's called Temptress. Oh my god, Temptress glide right onto my skin. Like, no joke, it glide. My eyelid, you see how I put it on my eyelid? It's there, and it's there to stay, okay? But it had a lot of fallout. The other shade, which is a Crazy. I love Crazy. I love Crazy. Crazy is so nice. Really pigmented. The other one, which is Oh Hello. I really love Oh Hello. It had a lot of pigment to it. It wasn't like washed out like the rest of the colors that I had used earlier. This one is called Palo. Or Palo. Oh, gorgeous. Like, look inside here. This reminds me of the Jaclyn palette. I don't remember what shade was it. I don't have the palette close to me, so I don't feel like getting up. But this one here remind me of it. But the Jaclyn palette was more pigmented. But when I put it onto my inner corner, it reminds me of it a little bit. The other shade, which is called Good Place. I love Good Place. It's all over my lid, and I really love this one. The other one, which is called My Journey, it was okay, but I really like My Journey a lot. But it wasn't like wow like the rest of the shades. The last one here, which is called Stay Tuned, I really love Stay Tuned, and I just like all the colors in the back. Like, I love all the colors in the last row. I really like it, and I could finally put this down and start doing a whole bunch of different look with different eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that. But guys, this is the final of row number 5. This is the final of the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I can rest. I can say I did it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, because I do upload Monday through Friday. And yeah, sound off down below if you like this look, and if you want me to come up with a look from this palette, sound off down below. What shade you want me to use together. Like, you guys, if you guys know all the shades, just let me know down below. Like, put this color with this color and see if you can come up with a look, whatever. Just let me know down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.